Welcome. In today's session, we will go through a complete blackhead removal and deep skincare cleaning routine, explained step by step in a calm and easy-to-follow way. Blackheads are one of the most common skin concerns. They appear when pores become clogged with excess oil, dead skin cells, and impurities. When this clogged pore is exposed to air, it oxidizes and turns dark, forming what we call a blackhead. Step 1. Gentle awakening cleanse. Take a slow breath in and out. Use a mild gel or foam cleanser with lukewarm water. Massage softly in circular motions for 30 to 60 seconds. No pressure. Let the cleanser do the work. Symbol Step 2. Steam to open pores. Warm steam gently touches your skin. Steam for 5 to 7 minutes to loosen dirt, oil, and blackheads. Relax your face. Feel the warmth. Step 3. Soothing herbal tonic. Apply rose water, green tea, or witch hazel using a cotton pad. Pat slowly. Tap, tap. This calms redness and balances oil. Step 4. Mild exfoliation. 2-3 times weekly. Use a gentle exfoliant or enzyme scrub. Massage lightly around the nose, chin, and forehead. Never scrub harshly. Be kind to your skin. Step 5. Clay mask therapy. Apply a thin layer of clay or charcoal mask. Let it dry naturally for 10 to 15 minutes. Feel impurities being pulled out, slowly, quietly. Step 6. Cool rinse and pore closing. Rinse with cool water. Splash gently to help pores tighten and refresh the skin. Step 7. Blackhead care. No popping. Instead of squeezing, use salicylic acid toner BHA serum. Apply softly with fingertips. Let treatment melt blackheads away over time. Step 8. Calming serum. Use niacinamide or centella serum. Press into the skin slowly. This reduces acne marks and strengthens the barrier. Step 9. Lightweight moisturizer. Even oily skin needs moisture. Choose an oil-free gel moisturizer. Massage upward. Slow, gentle strokes. Step 10. Sun protection. Daytime. Apply a non-comedogenic sunscreen. Protecting your skin prevents acne scars and dark spots. Step 11. Night healing routine. At night, apply acne-safe night gel, tea tree or azelaic acid, spot only. Let your skin heal while you sleep. Step 12. Healthy skin habits. Clean pillowcases. Avoid touching pimples. Drink water. Manage stress. Healthy habits equals clear skin sparkles. Step 13. Weekly reset. Once a week, do steam, clay mask, hydration mask. A calm ritual for your skin and mind. Step 14. Skin barrier repair. Close your eyes. Breathe slowly. Apply a ceramide or peptide cream in a thin layer. Gently press the product into your skin. No rubbing. This step repairs the skin barrier, reduces irritation, and prevents future breakouts. Healthy barrier, calm skin, deep repair. Step 15. Targeted spot healing. Using a cotton swab, apply tea tree oil, sulfur gel, or benzoyl peroxide only on active pimples. Tap lightly, once, twice. Avoid spreading product to clear skin. Let the treatment work quietly through the night. Step 16. Sleep and skin renewal. Lie down comfortably. As you sleep, your skin enters natural repair mode. Cells regenerate, inflammation reduces, or acne heals. Use a clean pillowcase and avoid touching your face. Deep rest, deep healing, clear skin begins. Step 17. Internal skin detox. Take a slow breath in and out. Healthy skin begins from within. Drink warm water, herbal tea, or lemon water daily. Reduce oily, sugary, and processed foods. Your skin becomes calmer, clearer, naturally balanced. Step 18. Weekly skin observation. Stand in front of the mirror under soft light. Observe your skin without judgment. Notice improvements, sensitivity, breakouts. Adjust products gently. Less is more. Step 19. Monthly deep reset ritual. Once a month, allow your skin to rest. No active treatments for 2 to 3 days. Focus on cleansing, hydration, and barrier repair. This prevents overexfoliation and long-term damage. Step 20. Consistency and patience. Clear skin is a journey, not a rush. Follow your routine consistently for 4 to 6 weeks. Avoid popping, picking, or comparing. Trust the process. Trust your skin. Step 21. Gentle morning reset. Wake up softly. Cleanse with a low pH cleanser or just water if skin feels sensitive. Pat dry with a clean towel. No rushing, no stress. Step 22. Morning hydration layer. Apply a hydrating toner or essence. Press gently into the skin with fingertips. Hydration keeps oil balanced and breakouts away. Step 23. Daily protection ritual. Apply broad-spectrum sunscreen every morning, even indoors, even on cloudy days. Protection prevents acne marks from becoming permanent. Step 24. Touch-free discipline. Throughout the day, avoid touching your face. Hands carry bacteria that cause acne and blackheads. Let your skin stay clean and undisturbed. Step 25. Stress release for clear skin. Stress shows up on the skin. Practice deep breathing, stretching, or quiet moments. Relax mind, clearer skin. Step 26. Evening double cleanse. At night, remove sunscreen and dirt using a gentle oil or micellar water. Follow with a soft foam cleanser. Clean, but never tight. Step 27. Active treatment rotation. Rotate acne treatments on different nights. Salicylic acid, retinoid, recovery cream. Never mix actives together. Step 28. Overnight moisture lock. Apply a sleeping mask or thicker gel cream. Seal in hydration while you rest. Your skin repairs itself quietly. Step 29. Clean sleep environment. Change pillowcases weekly. Keep hair clean and away from the face. Small habits create big results. Step 30. Self-love and skin confidence. Look at your skin with kindness. Healing takes time. Consistency, patience, and gentle care always win. Step 31. Seasonal skin adjustment. As seasons change, your skin changes too. In summer, choose lighter gels. In winter, switch to richer creams. Adapt gently. Listen closely. Step 32. Product simplification. Too many products confuse the skin. Use only what your skin truly needs. Cleanser, treatment, moisturizer, protection. Simple routines heal faster. Step 33. Hormonal awareness. Hormonal changes affect acne. Track breakouts monthly. Support skin with rest, hydration, and balanced meals. Step 34. Safe extractions. Optional. If needed, use a licensed professional for extractions. Avoid DIY popping. Safety prevents scars and infection. Step 35. Micromassage for circulation. Using clean fingers, massage gently upward 1 minute. Slow pressure. Boost blood flow and healing. Step 36. Blue light and screen care. Limit late night screen time. Blue light increases inflammation. Rest your eyes. Rest your skin. Step 37. Consistent sleep schedule. Sleep before midnight when possible. Skin repair hormones work best at night. Deep sleep, deep healing. Step 38. Hydration reminder. Keep a water bottle nearby. Small sips throughout the day. Hydrated skin heals acne faster. Step 39. Celebrate small progress. Notice fewer breakouts. Smoother texture. Celebrate quietly. Progress matters. Step 40. Long-term skin promise. Promise gentle care, not perfection. Clear skin is built slowly. Trust your routine. Trust yourself. Step 41. Acne scar softening. Close your eyes. Breathe gently. Apply a scar repair serum with ingredients like niacinamide, alpha-arbutin, or vitamin C. Low strength. Press softly into the skin. No rubbing. Over time, marks fade. Texture smooths. Step 42. Night retinol balance. On alternate nights, apply a low-dose retinol. Use only a pea-sized amount. Follow with moisturizer to prevent irritation. This helps unclog pores and refine skin gradually. Step 43. Skin fasting days. Once every 7 to 10 days, reduce products, cleanse, moisturize, and rest. No actives. No masks. Let your skin breathe and rebalance naturally. Step 44. Long-term acne prevention mindset. Acne care is not a quick fix. Consistency matters more than intensity. Kindness to your skin prevents future breakouts. Step 45. Advanced scar healing. Apply a silicone gel or centella-based cream to areas with scars. Tap lightly with clean fingers. This supports skin repair and smooth texture over time. Step 46. Glow boost massage. Using a jade roller or fingertips, glide gently upward and outward, 1 slow minute per area. This improves circulation and relaxation.